India is a unique nation whose fabric has been woven by diverse linguistic, cultural and religious threads held together into a composite national identity. The idea of EkBharatShreshthaBharat, a sustained and structured cultural connect among people of different regions, was mooted by Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi during the Rashtriya Ekta Divas. India is a nation with one of the youngest populations in the world. To strengthen people-to-people connect and build empathy between youth of the northeastern states and other states, Government of India has conceptualized an initiative of Yuva Sangam under Ek Bharat Shreshtha Bharat as a collaborative effort of various ministries. The Yuva Sangam will focus on conducting exposure tours of the youth comprising of students and off-campus youngsters from northeastern states to other states and vice versa. It will provide an immersive, multi-dimensional experience of various facets under 5 broad areas of Paryatan, Parampara, Pragati, Pradyogik and Paraspar Sampark to enable our youth to understand and identify with the diversity of India. Yuva Sangam tours are being organized for youth of different states with an aim to promote a sense of respect towards each other's heritage, culture, customs, traditions. To further the spirit of Shreshtha Bharat, the pilot Yuva Sangam will have such amazing exchange opportunities for students of northeastern India, where they shall visit the other states and have students of other Indian states visit the amazing northeastern states. Through the course of the program, students will interact with each other in the areas of language, literature, cuisine, festivals, cultural events and tourism. In short, they'll get a first-hand experience of living in a completely different geographical and cultural scenario. As India marches into the Amrit Kal envisioned by our Honorable Prime Minister, the initiative of Yuva Sangam will inculcate common spirit of understanding among thousands of youth participating in the program, which shall resonate throughout the country and contribute immensely towards building a truly Shreshtha Bharat.